So make sure to like and subscribe at the end of the video. Hi guys, today we're gonna make very easy to make peanut butter cookies. Let's go to it. 2 eggs, a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 cup of shortening. These are the ingredients I'm going to start with. I'm going to put it now in the mixer. 1 cup of shortening. It's hard to put it in. This is not going to work. Now in the mixer I'm going to put 1 cup of peanut butter. And then I just do these. Okay. If you're having trouble putting the peanut butter inside the mixer, then use a spatula. Let's see how it helps me. It really actually scrapes it out. So the last thing that we're going to put ½ teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix it. Oh, here. Let's do 6. This is good. Do a little bit more. Now we're going to do all the rest ingredients. First we'll crack the eggs into this bowl, so if the shell gets, we can just take it out. Look, no shell. Still no shell. I am good. Now we'll put white sugar and then brown sugar. Mix it. We'll put all the rest of the leftovers. See, it's sticky. I'll just put the whole thing for now. Whatever this thing's called. From the bowl to the mixer. White sugar. After we mix again, we'll put the flour of the rest of the flour. I'll turn it up to 4. Now we're going to put the rest of this flour, and then we're going to mix it all until it's all mixed together. So I can pour and put the spoon, use the spoon. Spoon will just help me pour it. Now we're going to mix all the rest. We'll just put it to 2. If you mix too fast, it'll spill all out. Now we're taking the spatula and taking all the things that got stuck on the little mixer thingy. I'll just call it the mixer. So, if you want to know what it really tastes like before you have the cookies, all the left things on the beater, you should lick it to make sure how it tastes. Good. I suggest, so it'll be easier for you to make the balls and take the dough out, you should take the bowl out of the mixer. And I suggest you also push it out of your way. Push it here. Let's go to bring the cookie sheet and start to roll the cookies. Follow me. Where's the cookie sheet? Where's the cookie sheet? Let's get to it. I need a spoon. So you just have to roll them in or this size. And make sure they're a little bit apart, because otherwise they'll come together. Now we're going to press the cookies down. Don't do it too much down, Otherwise, it won't work. So, make sure to like and subscribe at the end of the video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let's put it in the oven. 350 Fahrenheit, 13 minutes. Now I'm going to see if the cookies are done. They look ready to me. What do you guys think? Comment below if you think they're ready. Make sure you have a grown-up's help to take the cookie pan out of the oven. Let the grown-up do it. Otherwise, you might get burnt. The cookies on the cookie rack so they can cool better. Make sure to have a pan. Make sure to have a little cloth like this to help. And make sure not to touch the pan because it's really hot. I will wait a few minutes before putting the cookies half on the cookie rack because they might crumble or break. Oopsie, that cookie kind of, that's okay. This recipe makes to about 40 cookies. I'm going to invite a special guest to first try my cookies. Leo, come now. My brother, Leo. Pick the cookie and put it on the plate and try it.
First, I need to get some milk.
Okay.
This is milk.
He loves dipping his cookies in milk. And I'll be the second to try the cookies.
So I'm back. I'm going to try the cookies after I get some milk.
Make sure not to spill.
Like my sister said, everyone, when you get milk, make sure not to spill.
And make sure not to make a mess. They're the same thing.
Put it back in. Okay, guys. Now I'm really going to do it. Aww.
He likes them.
One of my best cookies I ever had.
Yeah, he likes them. Now I'm going to try them myself. They're good.
No,
I think it's...
you like this and chocolate chip the same amount?
No, I like chocolate chip more.
I personally think
Chocolate chips better than peanut butter cookies. But maybe it's the same recipe, but without peanut butter with chocolate chips at the end.
look, guys, there's this delicious cookie on my plate. Who should eat it? Leave in the comments who should eat it.
So leave in the comments below.
I ate it.
I think my brother likes my bacon. Now I'm going to see if my dad does. Okay, ready.
Ooh la la la.
In a cookie, they're really...
You nailed it.